Home Values Real Estate Blog, 5 Feng Shui concepts to help sell your home. Realtor and area specialist Mike and Jennifer Wrigley here, bringing you the latest real estate information. Thank you for joining us. Today, let's talk about the 5 best ways to use Feng Shui to help you sell your home. To put the best face on a listing and appeal to buyers who follow Feng Shui principles, keep these tips in mind. Number 1, pay special attention to the front door, which is considered to be the mouth of Qi. Qi is the life force of all things, and one of the most powerful aspects of the entire property. Abundance, blessings, opportunities, and good fortune enter through the front door. It's also the first impression buyers have on how well the sellers have taken care of the rest of the property. Make sure the area around the front door is swept clean, free of cobwebs and clutter, and make sure all lighting is straight and properly hung. Better yet, light the path leading to the front door to create an inviting atmosphere. Number 2, Qi energy can be flushed away whenever there are drains in the home. To keep the good forces in a home, always keep the toilet seats down and close the doors to bathrooms. Number 3, the master bed should be in a place of honor, power, and protection, which is the farthest from and facing toward the entryway of a room. It's even better if you can place the bed diagonally at the farthest corner. Paint the room in colors that promote serenity, relaxation, and romance, such as soft tones of green and blue and lavender. Number 4, the dining room symbolizes the energy and power of family togetherness. Make sure the table is clear and uncluttered during showings. Use an attractive tablecloth to enhance the look of the table while also softening sharp corners. And number 5, the windows are considered to be the eyes of the home. Getting the windows professionally clean will make the home sparkle and ensure the view will be optimally displayed. Now, what's your home worth? Call me today at 916-396-7487 for a free, no-obligation consultation, or log on to www.wrigleyrealtygroup.com to find out. Call us today. You'll be glad you did, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.